Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are on the Dev channel and you have the build 22579 installed, we're going to talk about it in a video today and some of the features, but maybe you have problems with it, maybe it didn't go well and it doesn't update to 22579. Maybe you're stuck on an old Dev channel build and haven't been able to update recently. Microsoft has officially issued images for the Insider build 22579, which is the latest build right now. So if you are a Dev Channel Insider and do not use this image, if you are not an Insider, if you've never been an Insider, this is Dev Channel Insider. It's important that you understand that this is test software. So unless you want to have possible problems, stay away from this. But if you're an insider and you had some problems and it just doesn't want to work and update, go to this page that I'll actually put the link in the description below. Go down the page and you'll see when you select edition, build 22579 is available in the build downloads. So this is nice. They've been doing this build, regular build updates for downloads. So that is cool because one of the biggest complaints in the past years was the lack of images, and they would issue only once in a while, usually very long time in between the images. So this is cool that they are a little more proactive. I wish, and I still wish, they'd have an image for every Dev channel build. I don't know why they don't do this, but at least we do have an image to download. So you just go here. This will give you a build 22579 ISO image that you can use to clean install in some way or reinstall completely the Dev channel build on the computer. So this is nice to have this available if you are looking for one of the Dev channel builds images. That often, very often, fixes all the problems that you might be having with a release of builds. So check it out. The link is in the description below, and hope that this helps you move forward if you've been kind of stuck in the past using some of these images. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.